just, if we would work out a price.
3120 citation in Dallas, 75229. Here's another one of Brian and Brent's redone kitchens. It looks great, granite. Took a whole wall out of this kitchen, boxed in where the refrigerator would go.
So what we would do is literally just build a wall right here.
Knocked out the wall so that it opens it up to a living room. Very nice. Makes it one big room. Hardwoods. Made this into a very large breakfast nook. And then made a smallish formal dining right here in the front of the house. So, very nice. New fixtures, granite, new stainless steel, 40-inch cabinets.
What about 3114 Willow Way? Is that what's Dame Street?
That's one right. That's
it's
street.
Across. It's like
you gotta be careful if it backs Walnut. What side of Walnut? Oh, it's right there.
Yeah.
Not updated. I think it's a black and
Tile,
white.
backsplash.
But the house has a black.
Is that the one? I saw something on
Nice
the
neutral
This is
tone
the only house
granite.
updated in the neighborhood on the market.